Derek, that ADU guy here, on site with Guy and Dave. We've got a couple of backyard builder extraordinaires here. Guy and Dave are both 70 together. They're doing a DIY detached ADU build, and this is a really important step of the process. What they've done here is they've dug up the supply line for the primary house. It's 1-inch PEX, and they're using a PEX expansion tool, and I think they're going to tee in here. Why don't you tell us what you're doing, Dave?
Yeah, we're tying into the existing house water line that goes from the meter to the house. That's this line down here, and we're going to put a T on it and run it up the ditch in the same ditch with the sewer line. The sewer line's down below it, so it's a sewer line's a foot below it and a foot to the side. And we'll take it 1 inch to the building and put a valve on it at the building and go ahead and turn the water back on.
Awesome. So that's really cool here to mention that both of these water services are going to be on 1 meter. And what's cool about that is they don't have to pay the system development fees or the meter charge to drop another meter in the right-of-way where it gets really expensive. So this is just, no, it's about 7 or 8 grand in this jurisdiction just to add a water meter, plus the work of digging in the right-of-way. So I'm just going to kind of pan down here. This is the ditch that was done. We're going to go down here and look at the sewer connection. So here we have 4-inch 3034. This is the sewer line. It's on about a 2.5% grade. And we got the crew out here making the final connection at the house. So code in our jurisdiction says within 5 feet of the exterior of the building, you have to have a clean out. So what they're doing is they're tying this. They're going to transition from 4-inch 3034 into 3-inch ABS, and it's kind of a little geometric puzzle here. They're figuring out the 45 and how they're going to tie in. Here's the water line. This is where it'll enter into the building. It's nice to leave sleeves open in the foundation wall to bring in water and also to bring waste out. So here's just a quick update of the Dave and Guy 574 square foot detached backyard accessory dwelling unit build. And here's where it gets expensive. I'll take one more quick shot of this. This is the gigantic bomb hole where they had to go down 10 feet to tap into the sewer main out here in the right-of-way. So they probably took about 20 yards of dirt out of this one spot. They've already laid the line and filled it here, obviously. I hope everybody's having a good day. If this stuff helps on your ADU journey, feel free to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you see all my videos right when they come out. But more than anything, use the information you're learning here to take action and start planning your ADU today.